Question 8. Which of these samples of gas contains the largest number of molecules? We've gotten the gas constant. We're going to have to use PV equals nRT. We're going to have to rearrange it to find the number of moles. N is equal to PV divided by NR. No, N is equal to PV divided by RT. And then, yeah, we could also terminate times by 6.022 times by 10 to the power 23. So, pressure in pascals, 1.0 times by 10 to the power 6 times by the volume in meters cubed divided by R. Okay, 5.0 times by 10 to the power minus 4 times by 1.0 times by 10 to the power 6 divided by 8.31 times by 300 and times by 6.022 times by 10 to the power 23 molecules 1.20 times by 10 to the power 23. This one, part B, 4.0 times by 10 to the power minus 3 times by 2.0 times by 10 to the power 5 divided by R 8.31 times by 400 times by 6.022 times by 10 to the power 23, 1.45 times by 10 to the power 23. How do you convert from dm cubed to meters cubed? I don't know, so I'm going to check right now. Dm cubed to meters cubed. Just keep forgetting. Dm cubed to meters cubed. You want to divide by 1,000. So it's going to be 3.0 times by 10 to the power 1 times by 10 to the power minus 3 times by 3.0 times by 10 to the power 4 divided by 500 times by 8.31 times by Avogadro's constant 1.3 times by 10 to the power times by 10 to the power 23. This one 2.0 times by 10 to the power 2 times by 10 to the power minus 3 going to meters cubed, volume measured in meters cubed in the ideal gas equation, times by pressure 4.0 times by 10 to the power 3, 8.31 times by temperature 600 times by 6.022 times by 10 to the power 23, 9. So the answer for question 8 was B. It might look like D, but that is times 10 to the power 22. That is not as big as something times by 10 to the power 23. That's completely symmetrical, that's completely symmetrical. Permanent dipole cancel out. Carbon dioxide is also completely symmetrical, so dipoles cancel out. So the answer is C. That's the only one that will have permanent dipole attraction between the molecules. Question 11 was the total volume of gas remaining after 20 centimeters cubed of ethane are burned completely in 100 centimeters cubed of oxygen. 20 centimeters cubed of ethane, 100 centimeters cubed of oxygen. So it's a 1 to 3.5 molar ratio, 220 times by 3.5. That would give me 70. So that tells me that this is in excess, oxygen is in excess, so just 30 remaining, 100 minus 70 would give me 30. So we've got 30 centimeters cubed oxygen, and then because we've got 20 there, we're gonna have 20 times by 2 plus 20 times by 3, that's 100. So it's 30 centimeters cubed here. Then using the molar ratio, that's got to be 40. 1 to 2 molar ratio, that's got to be 60. 20. Now we've got and 30 from the remaining of the oxygen. In molar ratio, you realize oxygen is excess. 100 minus 70 is 30. Add those together, 130 centimeters cubed. So the answer is D. Question 11. Which species is formed in the mechanism of this reaction? Propene and hydrogen bromide form the major product. Propene, methane, ethane, propene, double bond. We see double bond C, CH3, H, H, hydrogen bromide, H, Br, hydrogen partial positive, partial negative, there, transfer electrons to there. We want the major product, so we want the Br to be here. Yeah. Obviously there'll be positive charge, lone pair of electron Br minus, then we'll bond to it, but I'm just trying to, it's not asking for the mechanism, I'm just trying to see species, so it should be something like that. CH3, what species are formed in the mechanism of this reaction? CH3, yeah, because what will happen is, yeah, I skipped a step. That carbon will be positive, lone pair of electrons and Br minus, then it will bond to it, and then you'll form that. This is asking for the species in there, so the answer is going to be C. CH3, C, positive, and a H, and then you got a H and CH3. So the answer is, yeah, C. Question 12. Which of these substances reacts most rapidly to produce silver halide precipitate with acidified silver nitrate? Most rapidly. C. What was the bond enthalpies? It was there we go. It's CF, CCl, CBr. Do it again. CF, CCl, CBr, Ci. As we go down, faster substitution, bond enthalpy decreases. So the one that's going to, therefore faster substitution, so it's going to be the Ci bond, therefore it's D. Question 13. Which statement about E1-12-dichloroethene is correct? It has the same boiling point as Z1,2-dichloroethene. No. From polymer with the same repeating unit, that, yes. 14. Which statement about ethene is correct? Has no geometric isomers free rotation on the carbon double bond? No, lack of rotation. Reacts with HBr in a nucleophilic addition reaction. No. It's ethene alkene with HBr. Electrophilic addition, not nucleophilic addition. It burns in excess oxygen to produce carbon dioxide water. Yeah. And the CC bonds twice as strong as C. Carbon-carbon double bond substance is carbon-carbon single bond ethane. No. Question 15. Which statement about ethanol is correct? It reacts with tolerance reagent to form. What is ethanol? It's an aldehyde. It reacts with tolerance reagent to form silver. Yes, aldehydes do react with tolerance reagent to form silver. If it was a ketone, then it wouldn't. So the answer is A. Which of these substances does not contribute to the greenhouse effect? Unburned hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrogen. It is nitrogen. Unburned hydrocarbons will, carbon dioxide will, water vapor will, nitrogen will. Nitrogen will. Which of the curly arrows in the mechanism is not correct? Lone pair of electric energy attacks carbon, CBr bond breaks. Then it's the opposite way. There we go. Not only that, the arrow should go from the middle to the nitrogen. So yeah, the fourth one is completely incorrect. First one, yeah, attacks particle carbon, CBr bond breaks. That's correct. And third one, it takes a proton, acts as a base. That's absolutely correct. Which statement about the reaction not correct? 18 and 17 referring to this one. Ethyl amine is a primary amine. The mechanism is a nucleophilic substitution. That is correct. There is nucleophilic substitution with excess ammonia. Ethyl amine is a primary amine. That is true. Ammonium bromide is an ionic compound. That's true. Using excess bromoethane will prevent further reaction to form a mixture. Using an excess of bromoethane will prevent further reaction to form a mixture of amine products. No. Question 19 and 20 about Maxwell-Boltzmann of molecular energies. Which letter best represents the mean energy of the molecules? This is for the activation energy. This is the most probable energy. I don't know what this is going for. This is the mean energy. The mean energy is slightly to the right of the mean energy, so the answer is C. 19C. Question 20. What does the area under the curve represent? Total number of particles. Total energy of particles? No. Total number of particles? Yes. Total number of the number of particles that can react with each other? No. No. It's just the total number of particles. Question 21. What is likely to decrease the accuracy of this experiment? Decrease the accuracy, so that's a really bad thing. Rinsing the flask with acid before each new experiment, stirring the solution throughout each experiment, using the same piece of paper for each experiment, using different measuring cylinders to measure the volume. It's got to be A. Decreased accuracy of this experiment. Measure time takes with sodium thiosulfate reaction with HCl. Started when sodium thiosulfate added to the flask. Time will start no longer because it's possible to see across the paper. So if we rinse the flask with acid before each new experiment, yeah, that's going to decrease accuracy of the experiment. The experiment was repeated at 20 degrees Celsius with 250 centimeters cube conical flask. Which statement is correct about the time taken with the crust to disappear when using the larger flask? The time taken will not be affected by using large conical flask. The time taken will be decreased by using a large conical flask. The time taken will be increased by using large conical flask. It's possible to predict how the time will be taken. It looks like it's A, right? But it's actually not A. Answer C. The time taken will be increased by using large conical flask. Yeah, we have larger conical flask, so the quicker and the time taken for the crust to disappear is going to be quicker. Therefore, it's going to be increased by using the larger conical flask. And that is the end of the multiple choice questions.